Good afternoon, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. Lovely Jaguar XF 2.2 diesel. Now this is a portfolio top of the range, start-stop, 2.2 diesel, 2015, 91,000 miles, has had the cam belt and the water pump changed at 77,000 miles. Car's got good service history, 16,000. 25, 37, 46, 59, 77 and 88,000 miles. MOT till the 9th of January 2027, £6,595. Got matching Michelin premium tyres. It's ultimate black metallic and it's got the ivory leather with the darker accents. Portfolio, so lovely spec, front park sensors, rear park sensors, reverse camera, daytime LED running lights, built-in headlamps, headlamp washers, 19-inch alloy wheels, keyless entry, keyless start, blind spot monitoring, split fold rear seats for through load, space saver aluminium spare wheel, Michelin tyre, got the squares on the door handles for the keyless entry, another Michelin tyre, not bumper scuffed or heavily stone chipped. Paintwork's very nice on this car, as is the interior. Ivory, walnut, truffle brown accents and leather dashboard, steering wheel, etc. In there we've got electric steering column, we've got heated and chilled, electric memory comfort seats, paddle change on the steering wheel, voice control, satellite navigation, DAB radio, Bluetooth, cruise control and speed limiter. Super clean in the back. In the boot, just been cleaned, are a set of Jaguar carpet mats, the portfolio ones I'll show you, which are two-tone with the ivory bindings to the edge. Proper Jaguar carpet mats, rear park sensors, reverse camera. So there are the Jaguar mats. Through load, split rear seats, so you can fold down the rear seats. Space saver spare wheel, jack, wheel brace, toolkit, etc. all present and correct. Very, very nice bodywork, drives beautifully, air conditioning is freezing. Another Michelin tyre with lots of tread. Remember, it's got blind spot monitoring built into the wing mirrors. Good service history, cam belt's been replaced. Very, very nice condition, drives really well. Awful lot of car for £6,595, I know that. Meridian Hi-Fi, electric windows, electric mirrors, got the memories button down there for the electric driver's seat. Leather on the driver's seat is in excellent condition. Steering wheel, multifunction, leather, very nice. 91,000 miles. Air conditioning is freezing. Remember, it's got satellite navigation, Bluetooth, DAB digital radio. Very, very, very nice car. That's £6,595. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk. That's our website to see our other vehicles in stock. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with over 2,500 other car videos we've produced over the last couple of years. You can thumb through those. If you would be so kind as to subscribe to our YouTube channel, then you would get a notification every time we upload a fresh vehicle into stock and be one of the first people in the country to know we've just had that car in. Thank you very much for your time today. Goodbye.